So the next one is called visual poetry. Great for middle school, but maybe upper school teachers can teach it as well. And basically this lets you turn your poem into a tone poem, into a picture poem, changing the colors, the images. Students can enter their own poems, or they can copy and paste poetry just from the web. So I'm just going to come over here, because we're done with this, and I'm just going to start. So here you see I have one. I copy and pasted the text for Nobody, Who Are You, one of my favorite poems from Emily Dickinson, and I just copied that from the web. And now it lets me do a number of different things. So when I tap up on the top here, and everywhere I tap you can see it changes the shape of it. Here's a more solid one. So you can kind of play around that way with it. I'm going to tap away. On the bottom over here, it lets me also just change the shape. I'm just tapping. This one lets me change the font, so now it's going to be book, and now it's going to be typewriter. It lets me change the backdrop or the colors. It lets me come over here, and I can also go to the camera roll, and I can then just take a picture. Here's a picture of Emily Dickinson if I wanted, and do use, and now make Emily Dickinson the backdrop. And then, of course, you can save it, you can make it as wallpaper, you can save it via email. And that's visual poetry.